Ladies and gentlemen, gather around. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to the land of IKEA and ABBA to explore one of the coolest, coziest tiny homes built in Sweden. I present to you the Barbara Tiny Home, the Rolls-Royce of cabins on wheels. Seriously, if your dream home is a wooden cabin in the forest, then Barbara is going to make you swoon like it's 1974 and ABBA just won Eurovision. Barbara, named after its owner, calls it her big dream of a small home. And let me tell you, it's big on charm. With a total floor space of 30 square meters, that's 323 square feet for those of us who still can't do metric conversions. It's one of the largest from Treesign, only surpassed by the Thea Tiny at 35 square meters, 377 square feet. Imagine 20 square meters on the ground floor with 2 lofts, one of which is a bedroom. It's like the Swedish version of Tetris. This tiny home is 10 meters long, 32.8 feet, but it's packed with storage. It even includes a built-in porch, a cozy outdoor spot without the hassle of setting up an exterior deck. It's lightweight, easy to maintain, and let's not forget, affordable. Step through the traditional entry from the porch into a compact hallway with a wardrobe and shoe storage. Perfect for those rainy Swedish days when you don't want to track mud into your cozy lounge. The bathroom is opposite the wardrobe, complete with all the basics and extra storage. And the kitchen? Oh, the kitchen. It boasts a big rustic wood-burning stove with an oven. That black beauty surrounded by white waxed pine cabinets is a chef's dream, even in a one-bedroom home. And the lofts, accessible by ladder, because who needs a staircase eating up your space? The loft bedroom even has storage in the headboard. Genius. Plus there's an electric floor heating system, a ventilation system with heat recovery, and a 200-liter, 52.8-gallon water tank in the kitchen. All of this makes the Barbara not just a home, but a tiny wonder of sustainable living. SEK $880,000, $82,003 for this gem. It's a bargain for a piece of wooden paradise that inspires sustainable living for generations. Now, who's ready to move to Sweden?